welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a clean girl makeup look. You don't know what that is. It's technically a makeup look that makes you look more glowy and more fresh. And it's kind of my to-go makeup look. If you're going somewhere fast and you want to look nice and clean, then this is the makeup look for you. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get to it. For the lotion, I'm going to start off with the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I like this lotion because it has a lot of good ingredients for your skins. It's fragrance free and it will not clog your pores. It's also very lightweight and it has really saved my skin because my skin was very dehydrated, breaking out a lot and very dry. But this lotion has really saved my skin. It's so smooth, so lightweight, and it really gives me like a natural glow. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Marshmallow Primer. You want to find a nice strong primer and make sure it's glowy. Really want a nice glowy skin. It really gives off all that like natural makeup look thing. It also smells very good. I love the smell. It smells kind of like
candy, like really good smelling candy.
And I'm also going to be using Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I just like to hit it like this and apply the little dots on my face, then blend it in. I really like this foundation because it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is really good for your skin. I also like it because it's so lightweight, like you don't feel that chunkiness of foundation in your skin. It's so smooth too, it smells good too, and it gives your skin a real pretty glow, the glow that we're looking for. So I'm just gonna blend this in real quickly. Finished blending that. Now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Brightening Concealer. And I'm just gonna put that right here under my eyes, in the corners, the middle, and over here. I also like to sometimes put it in my chin or just up here for a little more glow and so I have that brighter look, that more awake.
I look more human, yeah.
I'm going to be using this thin brush to just really get into those corners and blend it in really well. I really like this concealer because it's the perfect tone for me. It blends in so easy, also very lightweight, and it lasts a very long time without coming off. Like it stays on all day. I love this concealer. Now that I'm done with my foundation and concealer, I'm going to be going in with my blush. I'm using Morphe 2. And I love this blush because it's so easy to put on. Looks very cute and natural. Just gonna be putting it like that. It gives you a really good natural color, blends in so well. And just looks very natural. You can also use it for your lips, which I love. A little chunky for the lips. That's why I just use it for my cheeks. But it's a very good blush. I love it. I really recommend. Okay, now that I'm done putting on my blush, I'm going to be going in with some bronzer. I'm going to be using the Ofra bronzer. I like this bronzer because it just gives you a natural look. Feels so nice. You don't feel it that heavy and you don't look that like you're too bronzed. You look like just the right amount of bronze. I'm just gonna be putting that on my nose like this to give my nose a more bronzier look. And I'm just going to be going in my forehead. I'm not gonna put bronze here. I'm just gonna go right here and put it right there. Also, blending is everything. You always want to make sure you blend it in very well. Because I feel, in my opinion, that blending is everything when it comes to a clean girl makeup look. You don't want to have any splotches of foundation where people can tell you're obviously wearing foundation or just lines of bronzer. You always want to blend bronzer and blush very good. So I'm just going to put this in really quickly. Hey guys, I just finished with that and it's already looking so good already. Like I look so much more awake, so clean, so fresh, so glowy. Okay guys, I'm loving it. I'm already looking so awake, more color, the kind of look we want for a clean girl makeup look. So yeah, now I'm going to be going in with some mascara. I'm going to be using Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I love this mascara. I sometimes put it on with some primer, but I prefer it without primer. I don't know why. Primer makes it look too, my eyelashes too skinny, too, like I barely have any. But when you put it without primer, it makes it look more thicker. I love this primer because it gives you a natural curl without you having to curl your eyelashes, and it lasts all day long. This is why I love it. I will repurchase again. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Okay, look at the difference, guys. Like after 2 coats, this is how it looks. So cute. I love it. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go on and do the other eye real quickly, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my mascara, and we're kind of at the end of all the steps technically for a clean girl makeup look. I'm just gonna go ahead some natural lip color and lip gloss to really get that more natural look. Go get that real quick. Okay guys, so here I have nice lip color. It's like reddish, really cute. And I'm just gonna go tap this in. I'm not gonna like that because it's gonna give too much red. I'm just gonna nicely tap it in. Done. And I'm going to be going with this Blossom nice lip gloss. I got it from Justice. Nice natural look. I love this makeup look so much. It's so natural, and it shows that you're not wearing that much makeup, just like barely any, but you still look nice. You feel clean, you feel fresh, you feel just like nice. So I'm gonna do my hair real quickly, do some edges right here, fix my bun, and then I'll show you the finished result. Okay guys, I just finished my hair, my edges, and I really like the clean girl makeup look. I put on some gold earrings because I feel like gold jewelry really gives off a more clean, natural, mature look in my opinion. So yeah, I really like this look. I feel so clean, so fresh, so natural. So I highly recommend this look. If you guys liked the video or liked my tutorial, make sure to comment down below any other video ideas you guys have for me, and subscribe to my channel if you liked it. And I'll see you on my next video.